Today we see about the sheet metal work. Uh, for this experiment, we're going to make a funnel for the given sheet metal. So aim of the experiment to make a funnel for given sheet metal, and then material supplied 22 kg galvanized iron metal sheet is to taken for this experiment, and then tools required: steel rule, mallet, ball peen hammer, scriber, and snipes and divider. These tools are we going to use for this making the given funnel, and then sequence of operation. So to checking the sheet metal, and then to marking the funnel required dimensions, and finally we going to make a funnel from this sheet metal, and these are all the sequence of operation. So now we going to do the marking then sheet metal. Stop. Start. Start 20. Okay. So next we going to see the procedure of this experiment. So for this first procedure, we going to check the whether the sheet metal is given for the correct size or not. So for this experiment, this is the 100 mm sheet metal, 100 mm length and 100 mm width of the sheet metal. So now we going to mark the first we going to marking by using the scriber and the steel rule, 5 mm for taken any side to marking the 5 mm marking, and then to draw a line for the 5 mm, and to find the center point of the sheet metal. So stop. Going to mark the for given sheet. Start panta. Start pante. So now we going to mark the sheet metal for given funnel size and dimension. So first we going to mark the smaller circle of the lower portion of the funnel. So for this marking, we take the 10 mm radius, and then major circle for 100 mm of the funnel top portion. So we going to take the 100 mm radius for the funnel. So and then we going to cut the removal of extra materials from the sheet metal. By using the straight snipe, we remove the additional extra metal from the sheet metal, rectangular sheet metal. Stop. Stop. So finally we removed all the additional extra pieces from the sheet metal. So now we're going to bend and fold the sheet metal, so to get a final funnel shape. So by using the mallet and bench wise, we're going to fold the given dimension. Okay, stop. So by using the mallet, the given size and marked, and then to hold tightly to fold the given marking. Stop. So finally we bend by using the anvil and the bench wise, using the mallet to fold the whole funnel parts, and then finally we joined the first and last point of the funnel. So finally we got the funnel upper portion. So finally we got the funnel upper portion of the part. So and then we made the lower portion of the funnel. So these two parts we going to join together, and finally we got the funnel shape for a given sheet metal. Stop. So finally we got the final shape of the funnel. So for a given worksheet 2, so finally we completed the funnel shape.